Hi y'all, this is Linda and welcome back to my kitchen. We're going to make a simple no-bake dessert tonight, and I brought y'all in because I thought you'd want it. I'm going to add 1 cup of buttermilk to this bowl. This is a 1/2 cup measure. Okay, this is full buttermilk. I have never tried it with low fat, so I don't know if it'll work or not, but we're gonna try it the way I'm using now. This is sugar-free because Sam and I are both diabetics, but if you're not, use regular instant vanilla pudding, and this is the larger size, a 1.5 ounce, 6.5 cup servings. I'm going to add this to the buttermilk. Now, the recipe didn't say what size to use of the pudding, but the box looked to be the bigger size. I'm going to stir this up. Yeah, it was. Yeah, it was. Because this is how it looked in the recipe. Okay. Now, I've got 8 ounces of a whipped topping, and all of this is going in, but I'm going to add half at a time because I feel like it'll be easier to get it combined. When I get all of it combined, I'll bring you back. Alright, got it blended. Now, I'm going to take a 15 ounce size can of drained mandarin oranges. I'm going to add them to that. And this is 20 ounces of pineapple tidbits. You can use crushed pineapple, or you can use chunks, but you have to drain any of them. You got to drain them. I chose tidbits. There we go. And you're going to mix these in. It looks good already. Don't forget to drain your fruit now, because it won't turn out right. Now, I'm going to add 10 to 15 Fudge Stripes that I've crushed up. Woo! I suppose you can add any type of cookie with chocolate on it that you can crush in here. It should work. I'm going to blend it in. Now, that's it, y'all. Except, I'm going to add some maraschino cherries to the top. You can leave the stem on or take them off. I'm going to take them off. Now, isn't this an easy dessert for a holiday or a get-together of any kind, or even just for yourself, you know? You don't have to add the cherries, but they look sweet on top, you know. I got a few more to put on. I'll bring you back when I finish. All right. Our dessert is finished. I would have added more cherries, but I didn't have any more, so this is the end of mine. I'm gonna take some of this out of here and give it a taste. And we'll see just how good it is. Y'all, this is really good. I'm going to put it in the fridge to chill it, and we'll have it tomorrow with our lunch or dinner. You have got to try this. It's a simple recipe. I'll write it below for you. Give me a thumbs up if you like the recipe. Like and subscribe. It only takes a minute. You all stay safe. And may God bless every one of you. Take care.